Dear students, this video is to explain to you the informal invitation. First of all, you have to understand what is an informal invitation. An informal invitation is very much different from a formal invitation. In formal invitation, we formally invite all the people we know on an occasion, and in informal invitation we invite only close friends, only those people who are very near to us, because the occasion is a very personal one, is a very informal one, and it need not to be celebrated in a formal way, right? So here the example is that your elder brother is going abroad for further studies. You have planned a get together at your residence to wish him luck. So, this is the kind of occasion which demands an informal invitation, because in this type of occasion we are not supposed to celebrate the occasion on a large scale in a formal way, right? It is a very informal occasion which need to be celebrated informally, right? Then the question is that write an informal invitation to your friend Akhil, inviting him on the occasion, and here the address, self address of the sender is given, your Vikas of this so and so. So when we have to write the informal invitation, we will have to write it in the informal letter format. In informal letter format, we begin the letter with self address and date is given after this, and note down this thing that in informal format the address of the receiver is not there. Clear? So this is the difference between informal format and the formal format, right? Then subject can be given in informal letter as well, invitation on a family get together. Then we address, and when we address the people in informal way, we use words like dear, beloved and things like that, loving, इस तरह के words हम use कर सकते हैं, right? So dear Akhil, as you know that our dear Vijay is going abroad for further studies. Here you can see that the language is very informal one. You need not to tell your friend that who is Vijay, because he already knows your family and he knows that Vijay is your elder brother. Clear? So in an informal way we are writing the letter, and in this way the occasion is being announced over here that we have planned a get together at our residence. So date, residence, on this date at this time, date, venue, time is also given, right? So to wish him luck and to wish him a bright future ahead, purpose of the invitation is given, and then the formal line, and formally you are inviting the person on the occasion ki we can't think of celebrating, but the language is informal one. Clear? So we can't think of celebrating the occasion without you. I hope you will come a day before to be a part of this happiness. Then complimentary close, your friend and name of the friend, name of the sender is given.